How to weld galvanized steel to prevent burn-through. Today I'll explain it in a simple way. Watch the video until the end. The first layer uses the spot technique with 80 amperes. This technique is safer for 1 mm galvanizing because the heat is applied gradually. This gives the material time to cool down before the next spot is created. If you use the direct pull technique, the heat will continue to exert pressure on the joint area. As a result, the material can easily warp, even burn through directly in the middle of the weld line. When spot welding, don't hold the arc for too long. Simply create a small, consistent spot, then move on to the next spot in sequence. After the first layer is complete, clean the slag thoroughly, because thin slag residue on galvanizing is often invisible, but it can ruin the results of the second layer. The second layer uses a zigzag technique with 50 amperage. Lower amperage helps maintain a stable bead shape without creating excessive heat. The zigzag motion is kept short and light. Don't use the wider motion on such thin material. In the final stage, the main focus isn't speed, but heat control. If your hand rhythm is steady, the weld will look fuller and neater. And most importantly, the material remains safe without burn-through. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more professional welding content.